Have you ever felt suffocated by the insane pace of the world, by the avalanche of news, obligations, and information that seems never to cease? It's a common feeling. In a world that seems to be constantly rushing, finding a moment of calm and inner peace can feel like an unattainable luxury or even impossible. Stress builds up, anxiety tightens its grip, and the feeling of being overwhelmed becomes your daily companion. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be this way. In this step-by-step guide, we're going to dive into practical techniques and mental exercises that you can apply today to cultivate a calmer and more centered mind, even amidst the chaos of daily life. It's not about escaping the world, but about finding an unshakable sanctuary within yourself. Get ready to discover how to transform external turmoil into internal serenity. Stay with us until the end, as every step is crucial for your journey to peace. Understanding the chaos. The first step to cultivating inner peace is to understand the nature of chaos. We often think that chaos is only out there, in traffic, in the news, in work demands. But the real challenge is how this external chaos reflects within us, creating a whirlwind of thoughts and emotions. It's the inner chaos that robs us of peace. To begin to tame this internal storm, we need to look inward. A powerful exercise to start this journey is guided introspection. Take a few minutes out of your day, perhaps in the morning or before bed, and simply observe your thoughts and feelings without judgment. Ask yourself, what am I feeling right now? Where does my body feel this emotion? An incredible tool for this is a gratitude and reflection journal. Write down 3 things you are grateful for and 1 feeling or challenge you are facing. This not only shifts your perspective to the positive, but also helps you process and release negative emotions. Remember, self-knowledge is the foundation of peace. But how can we actively begin to tame this internal storm? The power of mindfulness. Mindfulness is the key to anchoring your mind in the present, away from worries about the past or future. It's the practice of being fully present and aware of the current moment, without judgment. And the best part? You can start now with something as simple as your breath. Let's try a quick, conscious breathing exercise. Gently close your eyes, if comfortable. Bring your attention to your breath. Feel the air entering and leaving your body. Notice how your abdomen rises and falls. Don't try to change your breath, just observe it. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sensation of breath. Do this for just 1 minute. Did you notice the difference? This practice, even for a few minutes daily, can drastically reduce stress. Beyond breathing, you can integrate mindfulness into daily tasks. When eating, savor each bite. When walking, feel the ground beneath your feet. When washing dishes, feel the water and soap. Transform ordinary tasks into opportunities to be present. Mindfulness teaches us that peace is not a distant destination, but something accessible in every moment. Okay, breathing is powerful, but what about when the mind is constantly bombarded by external stimuli? Digital detox and nature connection. In a hyper-connected world, one of the biggest saboteurs of our inner peace is digital overload. Constant notifications, social media, and an endless stream of information keep us in a state of alertness and distraction. To find peace, it's crucial to learn to disconnect in order to truly connect with yourself. Try a digital detox for a few hours or even a day a week. Turn off phone notifications, avoid social media, and work emails outside of business hours. Use this time for activities that nourish your soul. Additionally, reconnecting with nature is a powerful balm. Even a brief walk in a park or a moment sitting under a tree can bring a sense of calm and perspective. Nature has an intrinsic ability to ground us and remind us of our own essence. Also, create a personal sanctuary in your home. It could be a corner with a comfortable armchair, some plants, and soft lighting. This is your sacred space where you can read, meditate, or simply breathe without interruption. It's a place where external chaos is not allowed to enter. Besides digital influences, there's another big energy drainer we need to combat: negative thinking. Managing thoughts and emotions. Our mind is a constant battlefield, and how we deal with our thoughts and emotions is fundamental to inner peace. Many of us are masters at catastrophizing or overgeneralizing, turning a small problem into a giant mountain, but we can train our minds to respond differently. The thought questioning technique is incredibly effective. When a negative thought arises, don't accept it as absolute truth. Ask yourself, is this really true? What is the evidence for this? Is there another perspective? Often, our fears are just stories we tell ourselves. As for emotions, the key is not to suppress them, but to acknowledge and allow them. Think of emotions as waves. They come, they peak, and eventually they go. Trying to hold on to a wave is exhausting and futile. Instead, observe them. Tell yourself, I am feeling anger right now, or I am feeling sad. Simply naming the emotion can lessen its power. Cultivating self-compassion is also vital. Treat yourself with the same kindness and understanding you would treat a dear friend. Mistakes and challenges are part of life. Being gentle with yourself in difficult times strengthens your resilience and your peace. Now that we have tools for the mind, let's talk about practical daily action. Daily habits for inner peace. Inner peace is not an isolated event, but the result of consistent habits. Small daily actions can have a gigantic cumulative impact on your serenity. Start with a conscious morning routine. Before checking your phone, dedicate 10-15 minutes to meditation, gentle stretching, or simply drinking your coffee or tea in silence, appreciating the moment. This sets the tone for a calmer day. Physical movement is also a powerful stress reliever. It doesn't have to be an hour at the gym. A quick walk, some home exercises, or a yoga class can do wonders for your mind and body. Pay attention to your diet. What you eat affects your mood and energy levels. Prioritize whole, nutritious foods and observe how they make you feel. And of course, quality sleep is non-negotiable. Prioritize sleeping 7 to 8 hours per night. A rested mind and body are much more resilient to chaos. Finally, learn to set boundaries and say no. Overextending yourself and taking on more than you can manage is a recipe for burnout. Prioritize what is truly important and protect your time and energy. Every no to something that drains your energy is a yes to your inner peace. We've reached the end of our journey in this guide to cultivating inner peace in a chaotic world. To recap, we learned the importance of introspection, the transformative power of mindfulness, the need to disconnect to connect, techniques for managing thoughts and emotions, and the importance of daily habits that sustain our serenity. Remember, inner peace is not a destination, but a continuous journey. There will be good days and challenging days. The secret is consistency and self-compassion. You have the power to create your own island of serenity, no matter the storm outside. Start small, be patient with yourself, and celebrate every step in that direction. If this video resonated with you and helped you see a path to more calm, please leave your like. This helps YouTube show this message to more people who need it. Comment below, which technique will you apply first? Your experience can inspire others. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more guides like this on well-being and self-help, and hit the bell to not miss future videos. Share this video with someone you know needs a little more peace in their life. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.